Hey friends, on today's video we are going to be resetting this Netgear AC750 to its factory default settings. It's a pretty simple process. Let's do it right now. So to reset the Netgear router, all we're going to need is a paper clip, or in this case, I actually really like to use the SIM card key for my cell phone. And that's about it. And obviously we're gonna need to have your router plugged in. You do not need to be connected to Wi-Fi in order to do this procedure. It just needs to be powered on. Now on the underside of the router, we're gonna have our little reset port that's gonna be on the left-hand side of the actual box here. You can see there's that little red circle indicating this is the exact port. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna actually put our little paper clip or the SIM card key directly in there. There's a little button that presses down and you hold for between 5 and 10 seconds. That's literally all you need to do. The other thing you're gonna look for is on the front side, this little power light indicator will flash. That's when you know you are safe to release that button.